So here's a update for you guys that I wanted to share with you. I got this. No, not the fire extinguisher. I've had that forever. This. I had a lot of small stuff floating around, and it was just kind of clutter up here. Yeah, I organized it and it was nice, but I just needed to organize it better. So I've got, grinder attachments here, soapstone, paint pens, temp sticks, batteries for my welding hood and flashlight, tips, welding nozzles and stuff. This one's really boogered up, but I'll clean it up. Lighters and strikers. Here's something I got from work. This is a two-way splitter for oxygen. I believe this was oxygen. And here's a propane natural gas tip I got from work. I've got another one of these somewhere too. So that was nice. Flashback arrestor. So this is just my cutting torch, splitters, tips, accessories. We got rotary burrs in here, 1/4-inch drive for a die grinder. Here is all plasma torch cutting stuff. I don't own a plasma cutter. This is just stuff that was left in my toolbox when I left. Here is all TIG welding stuff. I have a TIG welding attachment for my stick welder that's over that way. These are grinding cones and cylinders. Yeah, I'll fix that later. PPE, so we've got hearing protection there. Up here we have a drill bit for a mag drill and cut off discs for, these are Harbor Freight, but I got some other ones in here too. I got, what is it? Gemini. But yeah, I got these from work when I worked at a steel shop. The Harbor Freight ones I've had forever. These are ceramic backing strips. So instead of using copper, you just peel this strip right here, and the foil is sticky and it sticks and you weld, and you don't contaminate your weld or anything. It's pretty nice stuff. I used to have a bunch of this. I'll have to get some more of that. They sell it at the local welding supply shop. I got a ton more clamps too. So this is, I've got clamps here. I've got clamps up here now. So that's nice. I got another regulator. I picked this up for $3 because it is stripped out and destroyed right there. And I bought this for $3 specifically because I was like, well, you know what? It's a good thing to have for the gauges and parts. And if I want to, I could send it in and have it rebuilt. Which I probably will send that in and have it rebuilt along with these two because these ones are blown. Here's my Journeyman, my Big Craftsman, my 100 series, my other tip. This is all just the cutting torch section, gloves, bicycle light, my inverter. Over out to the side, we got my lovely bolt cutters. This is a basically brand new thing of tip dip. I snagged that from work one day. That was a good one. They were gonna chuck it out because they were just cleaning up and they had like 6 of those underneath welding benches and stuff. And I'm like, no, don't throw it away. I'll take it. So I got that for nothing. I think half the shop went home with that had welders like I do, went home with those, so that was pretty nice. Grinder, DeWalt. I've got a Milwaukee, but the neighbor still got it. He's had it for a couple of months. He's doing a big welding project. So I was like, here, don't use that cheap Harbor Freight piece of shit. Use mine, and I gave him one of these, which is a piece of flat bar, or just plate, with a stud welded to it, and you put grinder discs on it. This one has flap discs and 1 grinder stone on it, but the other one that I have that he's got right now has some cutting discs, some stones, different grits of flap discs, and a wire wheel on it. and he needed that for, like I said, his welding project. He's fixing up a trailer. So I didn't have a problem with him just saying, here, I've got plenty of them, as you can see by the plethora of discs and stuff. I need to get something to sort my grinder discs. I really like the stud thing. So I might go down and pick up a couple of more studs. I don't know yet, but we'll see. I can always use round bar. So that's that, and I'll show you some other projects and stuff later on, but that's the organization for that.